What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on a Honda remote head key. This remote head key is going to take replacement battery CR1620, and we'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver, and we'll need a flathead screwdriver as well. So the first thing we need to do is grab our Phillips head screwdriver, and there's this small screw on the back, and I've already got this one loosened up to save time. But the first thing we need to do is go ahead and get that screw out of there. Be careful with these screws, they're really easy to lose. Once that screw's out of there, if we take a look on one of the sides, we're gonna see this notch. What we wanna do is put our flathead screwdriver in that notch, and then we're just gonna twist. So I just twisted like that, just to pop it apart. Then we can use our screwdriver to get it apart the rest of the way. If we come down by the key blade, we can pry up from there, and then go ahead and just pull it off. And if we look in the back cover, we'll see our battery right here. And there's this little slot with an arrow, and if you get your flathead screwdriver in there, it'll allow you to get under the battery like that. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down, like that. And we can put this back together. If you notice on this back cover, there's a little bit of a lip on this piece. So you kind of need to start it in first like this by the key ring. And then once you get that started, go ahead and snap it on. And then from there, we just need to go ahead and tighten down our small Phillips head screw. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.